Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down in order to find sound and touch. As you can see here we've got highlighted section with the sounds basically, so let's tap on the ringtone. And as you can see, here we've got 3 highlighted ringtones, which the developer thinks we would like to use. But if you don't like them, just tap on all ringtones. Okay, so if you will for some reason have totally different chosen here, you will have to tap directly here, all ringtones. Alright, so here we can choose online ringtone or local ringtone, which simply means that if you've got any compatible files, for example, downloaded, they will appear. Okay, they will appear somewhere here, like audio files, for example, or the recorder, and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. Here you've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And here we've got the system ringtones, so those which are defaultly installed in the device. And if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to hear it and decide if you like it. And if you do, then just tap on apply. Right now it is marked, and after getting back you can see that here we've got the ice latte, and it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.